Have you ever asked yourself, how many heroes live inside you without you even knowing? Welcome to Empty Your Mind. At the end of every road, far from the noise of cities, away from human eyes, the night spread its dark cloak over the forest. In a distant place, when the world finally grew quiet, where truth can breathe, the final meeting waited. 7 strangers gathered, not to tell different stories, but to reveal one truth. A small fire breathed at the center, throwing gentle shadows on tired faces, hidden beneath ancient trees, and silence spoke first. The old tree sighed. Its branches moved slowly, as if touching an old wound. In my first storm, I tried to hold every leaf. I cried with every branch that broke. I thought the wind would tear my heart away. But with every shake, my roots went deeper. They searched for safety that branches could never give. Today, I no longer count storms, because I learned this. The strength you do not see is the only strength that protects you. The river flowed beside them with a calm sound. I lost my way many times. I hit rocks I believed were the end. I was trapped in narrow paths that almost stole my breath. I thought I would disappear before I arrived. But I learned one lesson. Water does not defeat stone with force. It defeats it with patience. The rock that hurt me once is now the guide that shapes my path. The pottery sat close to the dancing fire. Its eyes no longer trembled. The flames reflected old marks on its body, cracks that never left, signs of pain it learned to live with. Once, I saw fire as an ending, not a passage. I feared this flame. I believed it was my end. But it did not come to break me. It came to give me a shape that lasts. The fire shaped me into who I am today. The seed warmed itself near the fire. It brushed the soil from its skin and remembered a darkness deeper than this night. In the dark, I thought the world buried me. I lived death before I knew life. But what I believed was burial was planting, and what I called the end was the birth of light. Nearby, the mirror reflected the fire calmly, without distortion. I learned that truth does not disappear. It only fades when we are disturbed. Fear was never in the image. It lived inside me. When I became still, the truth returned. Above them, the falcon watched in silence. The wind moved around it, the same wind that was once a storm. When the wind grew stronger, it did not fight it. It used it. For challenge is not blind resistance. True strength is understanding. In the storm, it saw a path, not an obstacle. In the background, the mountain stood in silence, firm, unshaken. It taught them this. The one who knows himself does not need to defend his strength. No passing voice can break him. Behind every strength you see today, there is a story of weakness no one ever told. The river whispered again, reminding them that arrival is not a moment. It is a long act of patience. And the golden tree stood like a mother, holding them all, its roots deep in the earth, its branches touching the sky. In that moment, they understood. They were not 7, they were one soul that lived through 7 experiences. And here, you begin to understand the truth. You were not listening to stories. You were discovering parts of yourself. Life is not one chapter. It is many struggles meeting inside you. When darkness comes, will you fear it like the seed, or trust that it is planting you? When rocks block your way, will you stop like still water, or keep flowing? When storms rise, will you fight blindly, or learn how to rise above them? You are the mountain when you stand firm. You are the river when you continue. You are the seed when you grow in silence. You are the mirror when you become still. You are the falcon when you dare to rise. You are the pottery when fire makes you stronger. You are the tree when you return to your roots. All these voices were telling one story. Your story. What you searched for outside was growing quietly inside you. You do not need to become someone else. You only need to gather yourself and return. The journey did not end here. It begins now, inside you. Silence returned, the fire faded, and only one truth remained in the forest. You are not what you lost. You are what you became after every loss.
Welcome to Empty Your Mind, where silence gives birth to power. Listen, feel, and let your heart open the doors of patience. But don't tell anyone.